Today I'm letting my subscribers control what book cover I design. From the genre, to the overall design, to the colors, to the font style, and even the title of the book itself. And you'll get to watch me design the cover right here on YouTube. So if you want to see how I turn these stock photos into a finished book cover, stay tuned. This is what I hope to be a new series here on my YouTube channel where I let my subscribers vote and choose different things for a book cover design. I design that cover and I share the process here on YouTube. The video on YouTube will be a time lapse of the process. If you want to see the full process without it being sped up in time, make sure to head over to my cover design course, Designing Book Covers in Photoshop. That has the full breakdown under the new bonus module called Subscribers Control My Cover Design. Now, real quick about my book cover design courses, because I have 3 different ones. The first one is just a course on Photoshop. By the end of it, you'll know how to design marketing material. The second course is a course on typography. So if you hire an illustrator to design your book cover and then you need to add in the typography, it'll teach you how to do that in Photoshop. And the third course is designing book covers from scratch in Photoshop using stock photography, which is what we're doing today. If you want more info on my book cover design courses, it'll be linked down below. And is the third course, which is designing book covers in Photoshop, which will have the full breakdown of designing the book cover that we're working on today. So what I did is I first had a poll on YouTube, and the poll on YouTube is just people voting on what genre I should design the book cover in, and you guys chose fantasy, no surprise there. So then I took that genre and created a survey. So let's go ahead and hop into the survey and see the results. Here we are in the survey results. I didn't have a ton of people participate in the survey because 1, it was only open for a couple days, and 2, I didn't really advertise it a whole lot. So if you want to fill out surveys in the future, make sure to subscribe to my newsletter, follow me on Instagram, and pay attention to the YouTube community tab. But here's the survey results for today. So should the book cover be character focused or object focused? And the clear winner was character focused, and it should be a couple, which I don't enjoy designing character focused book covers. And then it's been a very long time, or I don't think I've ever designed a couple on a book cover. Anyways, what should the background be? The winner was forest. Okay. What should the color scheme be? The winner was green. I actually almost didn't put green in this survey because 1, I forgot, and 2, I hate designing with the color green. So you guys are making this real fun for me. And then what should the vibe be? The winner was light, which is going to be a challenge because I always, especially with book covers, tend to go on the darker side for fantasy book covers. When it comes to romance, light and fluffy, yeah, but fantasy, not so much. So I actually don't know if I've even ever really designed a lighter fantasy style. What type of font? I only gave 2 options, elegant or simple. The winner was elegant. I'm gonna see if I can find out a better way to do a font survey in the future. And then last step, book title. Some of you guys gave examples and then some people didn't, which is fine. You don't have to put a book title idea. But basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back to this later and figure out a title later. Anyways, let's jump into the cover design. So why am I doing this series? I don't work with clients anymore since with 2 kiddos, they keep me pretty busy, but I want to keep my cover design skills. And like any skill, if you don't use it, you lose it. And trust me when I say when I was designing this book cover, I felt rusty. This cover design didn't come easily. I can't remember the last time I designed a cover with people on it. And frankly, I grew to hate the couple that I chose for this cover. I think they worked okay, but I never really felt like they fit the cover as much as I wanted them to. Now, later on in the recording, you'll see that I ended up changing the color of their outfits, but I forgot to do that at the beginning, and when I ended up changing the color later, they looked much better. So I did end up liking them later on, but in the beginning, it was a very much hate relationship. It also didn't help that a lot of the elements that you guys chose were not my first choice. I'm not a big fan of fantasy book covers with people on it. I've actually never designed a book cover with a couple using 2 different stock photos for each person. I've had covers with multiple people on the cover, but they're not posing as a couple, so getting a couple to pose like a couple but be 2 different photos was pretty difficult. And then also, I don't like the color green. It makes people look sickly if you don't use it right. But I wanted to challenge myself, so you guys didn't take mercy on me, and I certainly got a challenge. This cover design took me about 2 hours total, which is a bit longer than it used to take me for a first draft, because at the end of the day, that's all this is a first draft. Typically, when you design a book cover, you make a first draft. It may not be perfect. You give it to the client, they give feedback, and then you kind of work as a team with your client to make it really finished and polished and perfect. And especially what I like to do is I design a cover, then let it sit for a few days, and then come back to it to fix things. And that's actually what I ended up doing in this case, when I let it sit for a few days and then came back and tweaked their outfit colors and then a few other small things, and then I ended up liking the cover a lot more. Anyways, let me know what you think of the design. I didn't like it in the beginning, but it's definitely growing on me more. And let me know in the comments below what genre I should design for the next time. So we already did fantasy, so please don't pick another fantasy cover. We'll come back to it another time because, again, this is going to be a video series. But give me any other suggestions for other genres. If you want to participate in a poll and the survey in the future, make sure, again, to keep an eye on the YouTube community tab. Keep an eye on my newsletter and, of course, my Instagram stories. As a reminder, if you want a full walkthrough of the design process for this book cover, make sure to join my cover design course, Designing Book Covers in Photoshop. The full non-sped up video is posted in the new bonus module that is there. And if you want more cover design content, make sure to visit the YouTube playlist for more videos on book cover design.